Residents of a neighborhood in Dunwoody are all fired up about plans to put a treatment home in their community. Folks near Manjit Way in Dunwoody are upset with the city for allowing a treatment company to buy a large home to house and treat teens suffering from eating disorders, substance abuse, and mental health issues. Our Katie Beck spoke with players on both sides of this community controversy.
The city of Dunwoody says this is far from a done deal, but the neighbors in this community think otherwise because this $1 million home has already been purchased by a treatment center that is advertising online for nurses and for counselors to work here.
It stinks.
Jan Parfit says the deal next door has smelled rotten from the start. For Parfit, it started a few weeks ago when a maintenance man installing a sprinkler system at the home first told her it would become a treatment center.
We are in a zoning area that is not for businesses, and this is big business.
The California-based company that bought the $1 million home next to Parfit's has been in contact with the city of Dunwoody about their plans to house 6 girls between 10 and 17 years old, treating them for eating disorders. The city has been in touch with the company about zoning their facility as a personal care home, but say they're still going over the details.
I think we're a long way from an endpoint.
Neighbors question that theory when the company appears to be posting jobs for the Dunwoody facility online already. The city says permits and license are still needed before anything moves forward. But neighbors feel this deal has been done out of sight.
It doesn't seem as though they are looking after us at all.
The Dunwoody Homeowners Association will meet Sunday night to discuss the latest on the treatment center. Many neighbors we spoke to say they plan to attend that meeting and voice their frustrations. In Dunwoody, I'm Katie Beck for 11 Alive News.